here's Pepper. Pepper, why do you always jump? Why do you always jump when I say your name? That's Pepper. Pepper's a female black lab cross. 1.5 years old. She's smart, good with kids and dogs, scared of cats. And Grady. Grady is so funny. Hi, Grady. Grady's whole body just wiggles when you talk to him. He gets so excited. Huh, Grady? Huh, Grady? Huh, Grady? He just gets so excited. He's male, not fixed, good with dogs, cats, and kids unknown. He just goes when he gets so excited. Look at him. He gets so wiggly. And Sherman is awesome. Sherman is so sweet. Look at that face. Look at that face. You're so sweet. He's a collie pit cross, not fixed. An unknown. Good with dogs, kids, and cats unknown. He's a super good boy. And Jenna, you can see Jenna in here. Hi, Jenna. Jenna's a black lab cross female. Good with dogs. She's not good with cats, but she's a good girl. And Luke and his big old noggin. Look, he's just wiggling all over too. Yes, you are. Black lab cross, good with dogs, cats, and kids. Not neutered. And we have Baxter. Baxter's a little sweet pea. Baxter's good with kids and dogs. He's 8 years old. Up to date on rabies. Neutered and housebroken. Good boy, Baxter. You spilled your food, honey.